trim.
Oh no.
Yeah, well, that's hard.
No.
So, welcome. I'm Dave.
I'm Janelle.
All right, this was our Balboa series here at Born to Dance.
For May and June of 2017.
Yeah, or like April and May.
Oh.
So we started with our basic, our 4 P's, right? Posture, position, pressure, and pulse. Having the good posture and pulse, right, lets us be sort of proud, right, not creepy. Our pulse is down and down and down and down.
I like to do step, gather, even when we're just doing 5 6s to get in a good pattern.
Then we added sort of that position with our partner, which had the close proximity, right? Leaders kind of keeping my elbows low.
Our elbows should be as low as possible. The lower the leader's elbows are, the easier it is for the ladies to do the same.
Then we went into our pattern, where I said, like, this is my equator. I defined that direction to be north, therefore behind me is south. So we started with 2 steps to the south, south, south. Gather and north, north, gather and step, step, pulse and step, step, pulse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then of course we did rock, step, lift the hand, turn the lead to be able to get out of it.
Right, because in Balboa there's only a forward step for the ladies on 1 2. And when he relaxes me away for a rock step, I know it's slightly different. Ladies, it may look like a rock step, it doesn't always feel like a rock step. It's just a separation.
Yeah. To get back into it, we also used that same 5 6, which could be a move. Basic 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Pivot, 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 pivot. Back to basic. Basic 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Hey, rock step, lift the hand, turn the lead, whatever. As I'm dancing with my triples, rock step, pivot.
Change the hand.
Pivot.
Adjust the posture.
Pivot when I'm ready. Back into basic. Basic 2, 3.
Remember, the basic does not rotate. That's north and south. Your pivots can rotate or stay in place.
Then we added a break. Right? Basic 2. Up, hold, step, step. Up, hold. 3, 2, 3. 5, 6, down. Basic 2 once. 2, 2 twice. 3, 2 thrice. Forward, pull, back. Right? Just doing a down hold sort of on count 8, or to count 7 8, right, with his right foot.
Ladies, normally I would gather then step. He causes me to step, so then I gather.
And I do tend to think of that lead as coming more me moving backwards than me trying to go down heavy, right? By moving backwards, I have to put my foot down so I don't fall. Naturally, she's like, oh, I'm moving. She's not going to like try and do a gather. Right, because we then switched it to all down hold. Basic 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, down. 1, 2, down. 5, 6, down.
Walk, walk, step, hold, walk, walk, step, hold.
Step, step, down. And these can be interchanged. 1, 2, gather. I can be doing one. She can be doing the other. 1, 2, 1, 2, step, step, up.
If he leads something that I have to follow, I have to follow. If he's a little bit ambiguous, which is totally fine, I can do something else. As I just showed, I did the Long Beach break.
Because the Long Beach breaks, right, is a sort of a named pattern where it's switched out each time. So for each of us, when we went on our left foot, right, we went back on our left, left, swish, step. And then on the right, it was step, step, down, swish left. 1, 2, swish left, and step, 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 down, and swish left.
And I'm doing that on the same foot as Dave right now so that you can see back as well as the side.
But it's the same pattern. It's just I'm doing, when I do these, my numbers line up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Because her 5, 6, 7, 8 is my 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? So together, they end up looking like
1, 2, 3,
5, 6,
7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 4, 7, 8. 3, 4, 7, 8. That's kind of fun, right? Then we changed chapters, right? Then we changed into our out and in chapter. So we again started our basic 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 2, 3, 5, separate, out and in, push, out and in. Ladies, our stay with our arm stays with our body, so now it's a lower, we have those 3 points of contact, out, out, in. Both of us go 2 backs, and then an in with the ladies delayed on 3 and 7.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Then when I'm ready, collect and basic, 2, 3. The same out and in, and each time, back, back is the huge thing. Leader 2, I'm also extending out and out, bring her in on 3. Out and out, bring her in on 7. Right?
And it was a little bit helpful in class. We talked about how the leader gathers her on 7, not only with staying close, but hooking the elbow just that little bit so she falls back with him on 1.
Then we rotated them, first clockwise, which was kind of the simple direction. Out, out, in, out, in. I'm just doing little turns each time. Out, turn, in, out, turn, in. Counterclockwise is similar, except when I'm actually going counterclockwise on the left foot, for him, left, left, turn, straight on the right. Left, turn, 1, straight and straight. Out and turn, straight and straight. Out and turn, straight and straight. Each time there I tend to 1, 2, turn on the in. The second time I don't turn at all, right? I sort of reset, turn on the in, don't turn at all.
Ladies, I'm worried it's about the same things. Keeping the second foot back, not stepping too far behind me, that would be bad. I just want to go back, back, and wait for his in, because that's going to be our pivot point.
Then we alternate, or oscillate, or do our crossover pattern, which is kind of our first baseline, third baseline, right? So first baseline to third baseline to first. First baseline to third baseline to first. Out, out, turn in, out, turn in. Out, turn in,
Gather,
out, and in.
gather. And just to show it from this direction.
Like my first baseline is that way, right? First, third, first. Third, 1, 2, 3.
5, 6, 7. Sorry about that.
Have that on camera.
Take my breath away.
And then we added the long beach break.
So we combined the two, right? We went out, out, swish, swish, out,
Swish.
swish, out, swish, swish, out, swish, swish,
Swish, swish,
and we can do these turning. Out and swish,
swish,
out and swish, swish, out,
boom, swish,
boom, out and boom.
out, and swish, boom.
Turning crossovers
Swish.
all work the same. Out and
Swish, swish,
swish, and swish, out and swish,
swish.
out and swish.
Takes a little more brain power.
Right.
That's what I mean.
Thank you.
Good. Ladies, if you end up swishing and crossing, it's okay. It's not so much, it's more about he puts me where I need to be. So I'm swishing and they're like, oh, that's where I need to be. Okay, my feet cross. It's okay. Don't think about you have to cross your feet in order for that to happen. And if you don't do it all the time, that's okay.
Mix and match. We found that in the basic, it's easier to kind of do the back swish step than it was to do the forward step swish. But in the out and ins, I think it's easier to do the out, in, right? So if I'm on my right foot swishing, than it is to do it on the left foot, just because I'm already coming in. So you'll find some things easy, some things hard.
The last part for that, ladies, is even though we're changing our footwork a little bit, make sure that your body still does back, then in, even if your feet aren't doing exactly what we did in the basic. Because out, in, gather, out, in, gather, out, swish, gather, out, gather, swish. So make sure that your body keeps doing that same motion.
Yeah, you guys did awesome. And we hope to see you again for the next series right here at One to Dance. Check us out online, Gottaswing.com.
DavidJanelle.com.
Thank you very much.